afternoon. So tension, life में fully tension है. So सोने में tension, खाने में tension, and पीने में tension. So good afternoon. So coordinators, toastmasters, and fellow speech crafters. So today I would like to be touching the 2 points. So just now one point is touched by our friend, that is the corruption. Second one is I am forced to take the second subject, that is the communication. So communication is very important. So communication plays where success and failures depend upon the communication. So the human being is the only animal. He communicates. So from billion years we have evaluated ourselves to communicate to our other human beings. So in business, as a politics, for everywhere communication is required. So communication is one of the most powerful weapon in the world. So communication wins the friends, also creates the voice. So in the war, how many enemies we have killed, or how many areas of square meter we have occupied, that does not end. It ends with finally the sitting with the communication. Communication is nothing but sitting together and resolving the issues. So this is the place where I feel my communication is little bit weak. This is the place where the communication training is given along with the public speaking. So I have come here to improve my public speaking along with the communication. This is one of the content. Coming to the second topic, my friend is just now he touched the corruption. So corruption, this is become as a buzzword for everything. From kids to old age, everyone is talking. From print media to electronic media, every day in the front page are most topic, most means repeated content is corruption actually. So what is corruption? So everybody is defining corruption is different. Corruption is nothing but giving the bribe and taking the bribe. So corruption start with us and end with the masses actually. There are many indications, many indexes. Just now he explained. So corruption has been from a very long time. So in the earlier days actually kingship, there was no question. Means there was no democracy was not there. There was it was ruled as an authoritarian. So now we are from last 65 years, 60 plus years, we are in a democracy. In democracy has developed our consciousness. So we are finding this is the wrong way of accumulating the wealth. So this is what we are calling it as a corruption. So from visiting card to ration card, from ticket collector to district collector, from birth certificates to death certificates, for everything we are paying the bribe. That is the corruption. So Anna Hazare, Baba Ramdev, everybody is talking the corruption. Today India is facing very big crisis to resolve this corruption issues. The government is also taking a lot of initiatives. So to improve the corruptions, that is actually invisibly they are creating lot of e-governance facilities so that the corruption can be eliminated. But finally the corruptions can be ended by taking ourselves vote such that I will not pay the bribe. So I would like to request all of you, please stand up and take the oath. I will not give the bribe. I take oath that I will not give bribe to any government officials. Josh. So finally, See, what I expect from all of you and myself is, let us improve our communications and also fight for the corruption, so that we can eradicate the cancer which is spreaded more than the it is what we call the biological cancer. So this is the psychological cancer which is spreaded the many souls, minds, bodies. So let us join hands, fight for things and find the solutions and eradicate.